Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Fantom. Wanted to update you because finally we can actually be a little bit more positive about Fantom. Obviously we're still down quite a lot from the top right here. As you can see, we're still down about 44%. But we have accurately spotted the bottom. And that's great news. I mean, if you watch my video, I think 2 days ago I last covered Fantom. What I said is that I thought this level here between 65 and 75 cents would be the bottom. And I think so far that has been confirmed. We actually got a very good daily candle here. As you can see, we found support here ultimately at like 60, 66 even. So we dropped down quite a bit, but last candle was amazing. Right now the market is also a bit stronger. Bitcoin is trying to get, well, a little bit more bullish at least, get back up to the top of the range. And outside of that, altcoins are doing quite well as well. And for Fantom, what that means is that we had enough bullish momentum to break back above this entire level right here, which you can see historically. Like there's a lot of there's a lot of resistance all the way from like 80 to 70 cents. Here you can also see the trend line. You have the 200 EMA, that's that golden line. So this daily candle close was amazing. We're also seeing some more growth for Sonic, and some people, and I tend to agree with that, are calling the Binance listing or the Binance relisting of Sonic as a relatively bullish event. And it could also be the case, like with the with the way this whole transition has gone from Fantom to Sonic on exchanges. Could also be that this was just massive selling off by market makers or by whomever. And right now they're done, and that this was a massive imbalance or massive deviation from the fair value, because Fantom right now, it's trading at a market cap of $2.33 billion. I think with what Sonic is going to be, or at least what I think Sonic is going to be, that's undervalued. So personally, I think with the strength that this has been defended, volume is also up 110%, as you can see. But there's also not a lot of leverage coming in. Like this move is barely leveraged. It's a lot of shorts being closed, actually. I think the bottom has been confirmed. Now, does that mean that we will automatically become bullish right now? Well, on the lower time frames, yes. Lower time frames, we look great. But I would say that we have to be a little bit careful with that, all right? Because I don't necessarily think we're going to be bullish. I just think the bottom is in. And then if we want to be bullish, if we zoom out again, the main level we need to break back above is right here between 95 cents and $1. And that's quite hard to do. Right now, the markets this morning, they've been better compared to the last week and a half. They have been better, but they're not strong enough to all of a sudden think that Fantom or Sonic is going to break all the way back above that level. So what I expect for now is that we will hold this level. Maybe we'll retest this level at 75 cents, but I do think we're going up there. I do think we're going into the 90s, into the high 90s. But for now, under the current circumstances, I think we'll find resistance there, and I think we'll drop back down, and I think we will consolidate. And then eventually, when we actually do have better markets, or when Sonic has some sort of a major update, like the Binance listing coming closer, then we could break out and get back into the same levels we were at in the middle of December still. That's what I think right now for Fantom. But I think ultimately, like we could have a pullback here. We could drop down to 75 cents. We could drop down to 70 cents. That's all fine, because we now now we have this massive buffer of support again, and we've seen that the short appetite has decreased, which decreases in general the bearish pressure. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think is most likely. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.